All right, y'all. Mr. Rice with All About Autos. We have a 2007 Honda Pilot, uh, 3.5 V6. Now, this Joker has a very strange and weird situation that goes on when you start it up. It's got this rattling noise that appears intermediately. That means it do it and then sometimes it don't do it. Well, we're going in to see if we can find out what this noise is exactly. We're going down as if we're doing a valve adjustment. But for me listening to it a little while ago, I'm letting it cool back down because in order to do those valve adjustments, the engine has to be cool. So I did have it running, so I gotta let it wait a little bit here. But we're going down as if we're doing a valve adjustment, but we're searching for reasons why this booger might make this noise. I'm gonna let y'all guys hear this noise. Yeah, there it is. Alright, YouTube saved me on this one right here. That's why I don't ever like to go by what someone said. You want to always diagnose and check things for yourself. That noise we're hearing is a direct result of the timing belt tensioner being worn out. It's got the timing belt stupid loose. You really can't see this. Let me see if I can angle this thing here. There it is. There we go. Look at the plate in this belt. See that? That timing belt is loose as I don't know what. And that's a direct result of the tensioner being worn out. So we're going in to do the timing belt on this baby. Or at least replace the tensioner. I haven't inspected the belt too good to see if the belt has actually been replaced, and they just didn't replace the tensioner because the car comes from the auction. And we're getting it ready to be a worthy road ready car for Golden Auto.